Hi everybody, this is Leila and welcome back to another episode of Diary of a Wavy Girl. And today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the kind of brush that I use for my hair. Excuse me, I'm still on the tail end of a really horrible cold. I'd completely lost my voice and I'm still getting it back. Anyway, okay, so the story on how I discovered like my favorite comb of all time is I was living in South Korea and I went on a retreat with a bunch of people, and when I was in my hotel room it suddenly dawned on me that I had completely forgotten to bring my hairbrush, and I was pretty upset about it because I mean, like, what was I gonna do, put my hair back and leave it in a bun the whole week and just not brush it? However, in South Korea, most of the hotels are extremely accommodating there, and by complete surprise, I discovered a hairbrush, like a comb there, completely clean, completely wrapped to use, and it looked a lot like this one. This is not the exact one, but it looked a lot like this. And at first when I saw it, I thought, oh, I'm not going to use that on my hair. Who uses a comb that big? However, it was all I had to use, and so I used it. And oh my goodness, I could not believe how much easier detangling my hair was just by using this, and I was absolutely hooked. This was a little over 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago now, and so since then, this is what I use, and I absolutely love it. I do brush my hair when it's wet. I know a lot of like the rules out there say you should only brush your hair when it's dry. However, for my hair, because it's got some body to it, it's easier for me to brush it out while it's wet and get it detangled so that when it dries, it can have really nice body and definition to it. If I brush my hair while it is dry, it gets kind of poofy. So unless my hair is going to be back for the day like it is right now, I usually don't brush it while it's dry. So anyway, that is the story about how I ended up using this kind of comb for my hair, why I love it so much. And yes, I do brush my hair when it's wet. I don't know too many people that with curly hair or wavy hair that actually brush their hair when it's dry. So I don't know, I could be wrong. Let me know what you do and what's your favorite kind of hairbrush. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and I will see you in an upcoming video soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.